Welcome to Natchitoches, Louisiana, the oldest permanent settlement in the Louisiana Purchase. Located in central Louisiana, Natchitoches is home to the National Landmark District, a 33-block area with shopping boutiques and fine dining. Stay in a romantic bed and breakfast inn, tour historic downtown, and admire the unique architecture from the early 1800s. You can snack on a delicious Natchitoches meat pie and visit Cafe Frederick General Mercantile, Louisiana's oldest general store. Discover greatness at the Louisiana Sports Hall of Fame and Northwest Louisiana History Museum. The award-winning architecture represents Natchitoches' main historic attraction, Cane River Lake. Head to Fort St. Jean Baptiste State Historic Site to learn the history behind the settlement of Natchitoches. The fort is a replica of the original French fort built in the early 1700s. Learn the fascinating story of the Creole culture when visiting the historic plantations. Oakland Plantation is a fine example of a raised Creole plantation main house surrounded with 27 historic outbuildings that still stands on the property. Discover the 200-year history of beautiful Melrose Plantation, which contains 9 historic buildings. A collection of work by world-famous African-American folk artist Clementine Hunter is available for viewing. From April through October, visit Bayou Pierre Alligator Park, the largest park of American alligators in Louisiana. There's more to love about the oldest city in Louisiana. For more information, visit the official travel guide at www.natchitoches.com or call 1-800-259-1714.